it's Gloria here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Digi Global Pan Vision.
Today's episode is sponsored by
Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor, Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. First, the news headlines. MRPL donates state-of-the-art medical equipment to Lady Goshen Hospital. Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde wins Vandana Award. Pili Chamundi Nemotsava observed with devotion at Enmakaje. And in our entertainment program, we have Konkani songs by Bajal Music Group from Konkani Nirantari and a Kannada song from Geetotsava 2008 held in Mangalore. Wendell Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs, romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor, Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452 999. News in detail. In order to pave way for the industries, people sacrifice their land, their house, and hence it is the duty of the industries to pay back to the society. With this noble motive, industries and big business houses do spend a part of their profits on community welfare. Big industries draw various programs under community development in order to help the community members. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals MRPL, India's leading standalone refinery too, carried out its responsibility of community development and donated a state-of-the-art medical equipment to Mangalore's one of the oldest hospitals, Lady Goshen Hospital, on March 4th, Tuesday. Government Lady Goshen Hospital, which is the largest maternity hospital in Mangalore, received medical equipment worth Rs 11.5 lakh on Tuesday, March 4th. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited (MRPL) donated the equipment to one of the oldest hospitals of Mangalore to treat gynecology and obstetrics cases in the city. S.S. Hegde, Senior General Manager of MRPL, Santosh Kumar Kadri, Personal and HR Assistant General Manager, handed over the equipment to Dr. G.Y. Kamath, in charge Medical Superintendent of Lady Goshen Hospital on this occasion. Equipment donated by MRPL include foetal dropper, foetal monitor, pulse oximeter with adult and neonatal probe, multi-parameter monitor with adult and neonatal probe, operation table, labor coat with mattresses, suction apparatus, spotlight, mobile shadowless lamp for operation theatre. Speaking on the occasion, S.S. Hegde said that kitchen facility at the hospital lies in dire need of refurbishment and MRPL would certainly extend financial assistance in executing this work. Y.D. Salyan, Manager at MRPL, Lakshmi Kumaran, Assistant General Manager, Shrisha M.K., Community Development Officer, and Dr. Gitanjali of Lady Goshen Hospital were also present. Former Supreme Court Judge Justice N. Santosh Hegde, who hails from the famous Nitte family, is one of the prominent personalities of Karnataka. Recognizing his contribution to the legal field, Rotaract Club of Mangalore City has selected Santosh Hegde, who is also the present Lokayukta of Karnataka, for its prestigious Vandana Award.
Lokayukta Justice N. Santosh Hegde will be presented Vandana Award by the Rotaract Club of Mangalore City along with Sri Devi Education Trust in recognition and appreciation of his invaluable contributions and achievements in the legal field. The award, consisting of a citation and memento, will be presented to him by Director of Medical Education Dr. Ramananda Shetty during the annual day celebration of Sri Devi Group of Colleges to be held on March 8th at Dr. T.M.A. Pai International Convention Center at 5 p.m. Vice Chairman of Nitte Education Trust, Professor Dr. Shantaram Shetty, will be the guest.
Bhutakola and Nemotsava are the integral parts of Tuluva culture. People of Tulunadu worship the holy spirits every year and seek blessings from them. Nemotsava and Bhutakola are the occasions when all the family members come together and observe the rituals related to it. All the family members of Enmakaje Bidina Mane and the villages of Enmakaje observed Pili Chamundi Nemotsava on Tuesday, March 4th. We have a special report on this. Enmakaje Beedina Mane organized Pili Chamundi Daiva Nemotsava, a special religious function on Tuesday, March 4th at Enmakaje near Perla in Kasaragod district of Kerala. Enmakaje is known for the ritualistic worship of 5 major spirits of the area: Pili Chamundi, Guliga, Satya Devata and Korati and Rakteshwari. On Tuesday, March 4th morning, Pili Chamundi Daiva Nemotsava was held and later prasadam was distributed among the devotees. The villagers of Enmakaje in large numbers sought the blessings of Pili Chamundi.
Yenna kutuba samsaraligi nambinchi samsaraligi yeraine voirulenu aygala kunnyikutti samsarugala yenna pindaini ditolle ini gadikku gadda buliyodi poy apagenna kutuba samsaram dumbudite ini gadikku gadda buliya meisudan avada yenna.
Sudhir Shetty of UAE Exchange, one of the family members of Enmakaje Beedina Mane, speaking exclusively to TV Daiji World, traced back the history of the ancient Nemotsava tradition of Enmakaje.
400 ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಟ್ಟದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಉಂಡು ಸಾವಿರದ ಆಜಿನ ದಿನ ಇಸವಿಡು ಪಿಲಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಅನ್ಪನ ಮುಲ್ತ ರಾಜನ್ ದೈವ ಐದು ಬಕ್ಕ ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಕೊರತ್ತಿ ಪೊಸಭೂತ ಚೆಲ್ಲೆದಿ ಭೂತ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ರಕ್ತೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅನ್ಪನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಒಂಬ ಭೂತಲು ಮುಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಡತೊಂದುಂಡು ಐತ ದುಮ್ಮನ ದಿನ ಹರಿಸೇವೆ ಅನ್ನೊಂಡದು ತಿರುಪತಿದ ವೆಂಕಟರಮಣಗಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಪೂಜೆ ಉಂಡು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಈ 400 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡತೊಂತನಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ವಾಡಿಕೆ 1994 ಇಸವಿಡು ಒಂಜಿ ಅಗ್ನಿಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಅದು ಪೂರ ನಾಶಾದ ಪಿರ ಒಂಜಿ 2002 ಇಸವಿಗಾನಗ ಐತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಪಿರ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ 2004 ಇಸವಿಡು ಐತ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಕಲಶ ಒಂದು ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕಾಜದ ಇಲ್ಲಡು ಉಪ್ಪುನಂಚಿನ ಭಂಡಾರ ಅಂದು ನೆತ್ತ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಂದು ಇಡೀ ಗ್ರಾಮಗೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕಾಜೆ ಗ್ರಾಮಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪುನಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಪಿಲಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ದೈವ ಅಂದು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಿಕರು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಗ್ರಾಮಸ್ಥರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪಿದೈದ ಊರುಡ್ದಲ ಈ ನೇಮ ತುಯರೆ ಜನಕ್ಲು ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಇನ್ನಿತೆ ಮೂಲ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಒಂಜಿ 4,000 ಜನ ಬತ್ತನಕ್ಲು ನೇಮನ್ ತೂದು ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಲ್ತದೇ ಪೋಡು ಅನ್ಪನ ಮುಲ್ಪ ವಾಡಿಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಪುರಾತನ ಒಂಜಿ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇಂದು ನೇನೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಒರಿಪಾಯ ಒಂದು ಬರೋಡು ಅನ್ಪನ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂಜಿ ಇಚ್ಛೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಪಾತ ಇತ್ತೆದ ಜನರೇಷನ್ಲ ನೆತ್ತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಉಂಡು ನೆತ್ತ ಶಕ್ತಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾತ ತೆರಿಯು ಅಂಚಾದು ಮಾತೆರೆಗಳ ಭಕ್ತಿಲ ಉಂಡು ಮನವಲಿ.
At night on the same day, a Satya Devata Korati Guliga Nemotsava was also held, and finally on Wednesday, March 5th, Rakteshwari Daiva Nema was conducted. Well, that's all we had from our news desk. There's much more coming up after this short break, so stay tuned. Wendell Travels and Holidays pleased to announce Cox & Kings 250th birthday special offers. Up to 40% cashback on European tours, up to 20% cashback on USA tours. Flexible tailor-made packages to suit individual needs. Romantic honeymoon packages, fascinating Far East holidays, exploring Australia and New Zealand, domestic and international tickets, visas, exploring our own country or simply taking a weekend break. Please contact Wendell Travels and Holidays, ground floor Abhiman Chambers, Buns Hostel, Mangalore. Phone 244752 4254881 6452 999.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.